Lord of the Ringtones. In a torn-up town, I wig out facial hair with duct tape, ouch, ouch, ouch. I do up with gaffer tape, yeah, nah, yeah, nah. Me, mum and dad, drugs ate my homework, so this is all I wrote. I occupy myself, no haters, no skaters, forest the rain savers. Dogs were born to shop, bless my besties. Them bitches better take no pictures. I'm a queen bee stick pin. Got a selfie with me. I'm trolleyed as a basket case. I'm a natural born slacker, booze up chucker. Who'd be half past saving. I'm a yeah, nah, anti-heroin like Katniss Everdeen. I'm everyone's answer to Lord Alfred Tennyson. I'm solar powered, hello Lord tennis team. Got a recipe for the Lady of Shallots with yellow beans. Don't you think that it's boring? How people talk of generalization, X, Y, Z plus Z equals. I like to arty, I like to wordy, and don't forget that the universe may swallow you tomorrow, but today your dreams live on.